You give to Yumi. Bye. Chicken Joy.
Bawi.
Oh, you get one balloon nun. Kasi ano yan? Oh, drive.
Drive ka na, drive.
Alright, at this time, invite all of you to please stand up for the opening prayer to be read by Ninang Yayon. Everybody stand up for the prayer. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's a birthday. Happy birthday. Alright. Eksaktong kaarawan ni Yumi.
April 20.
Sige po. Ayan. Ma'am, nakakaya ka naman po lapitan, gumikinang ka. Lahat din to. Alright, sige. Sige po, Lola. Ano po, kailan po eksaktong karawan po ni Yumi?
April 21, 2021.
Is that correct? Mali! Karawan ni Yumi.
Sabi na nila yung ano eh, ako yung susunod 22. April 22.
2000 and? Oh, mali. Okay. Nakikita niyo po yung pangalan ni Yumi, di ba? Hawak this time you're going to spell the word zombie using your sexy butt. On your next, big letter L. L. Next, big letter L. L. Okay. Dito sa letrang to, kailangan ko makita yung punto. Okay? So, we said, spell the letter. Small letter I. I. Alright. Next, big letter B. Big letter B. And next, small letter E. E. And for the last, small letter E. Once again, let's give it. Here we go, man. Here we go, man. Ready, Tony.
Sumasayaw sa
Daddy Mark, ano po ba ang gusto mo para kay Yumi?
Kasi may confirm mo sa akin, yun, ha?
Ayun, syempre wish ko more days filled with happiness and sana mabawasan na yung kakulitaan at yung bigas ng mundo. Ito kami.
Okay na po. Ako ba? Dahil wish ko lang kay Yumi is that she be happy always. Saka ano ba? Ano ba mo sa buhay mo? Saka more cash for today's birthday. And kaya lang, gusto ko lang yung wish ko lang kay Yumi, health and wealth. Yun lang po.
Alright, thank you, Mami and Daddy. Alright, Yumi in the count of 3, 2, 1. Blow your candle, baby girl. Blow. Alright, Mami and Daddy, kayo po lang. Gusto ko siyempre si Jollibee. Meron din po yan ng birthday wish para po kay Yumi. Jollibee, how many wishes you have to Yumi? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birthday wishes po, okay? So mga nagtataka po, bakit apat lang po talaga daliri niya. Wala po pag-ima dyan. Okay, ready? And first, to Yumi, to grow up and to become large Jollibee. It's always pretty and flawless and sexy. Like Mariaki. And second wish, to Yumi, to grow up and to become more Jollibee. To be a God-fearing person and then we have faith on God. Alright, thank you, Jollibee. And hindi Jollibee, hindi ito magiging matigas sa ulo, right? Daddy daw. Siguro ni Mami. Si Mami po lang tulungan ako. And next wish, third wish, to Yumi, to grow up at to become one Jollibee. Maabot ang mga pangarap sa buhay and malayo ang marating. Nice one, Jollibee. And next Jollibee at last, to Yumi, to grow up and to become one Jollibee. To always be happy with best friend, Jollibee! Alright, Jollibee, picture po kayo lang kasama po ng Facebook niyo. Ready?
Dati nung sukot ng bal ko.
Alright, ready, smile. Look at the camera, Yumi. Dali lang sa TV eh.
Hindi ka lang ako?
Smile. Sige po. Habang may nakataas po yung camera, wala po video. Smile. Alright, thank you much, Star. Si Star po muna namin ng Jollibee lang ang sarap ng Goldbar Star Jollibee. Alright, Tusa, dito ka sa harapan. Hold the mic and sing! Alam niya. Alright, thank you, sir. Lion. Very...
May kumain ng picture. Wow, sarap.
May ano ba siguro ito? Yung ano yan?
Good job! Bye! Susok ko. Kain na mo. Huwag kang mag-iuta. May bawal. Hindi na.
Si Juan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
8 times.
Birthday, Yumi!
Sorry.